Espresso. This is the foundation of nearly every drink on the menu. A concentrated shot of coffee brewed by forcing hot water through finely ground beans at high pressure. It originated in Italy and is prized for its thick, creamy top layer known as the crema, which holds much of the aromatic intensity. Because it is so potent, it is typically served in small quantities, though its bold flavor profile serves as the structural base for almost every milk-based variation that follows. Ristretto. Often confused with the standard espresso, this version is made using the same amount of coffee grounds, but only half the amount of water. The result is a much shorter, more concentrated pull that highlights the sweeter, more delicate notes of the bean, while leaving behind the bitterness that often comes at the end of a longer extraction. It is a favorite for those who want the punch of an espresso with a smoother, less acidic finish. Americano. This drink was popularized during World War II when American soldiers in Italy diluted their espresso with hot water to mimic the drip coffee they were used to back home. By adding boiling water to a double shot of espresso, you maintain the complex flavor of the beans, but stretch it out into a larger, more approachable volume. Unlike traditional brewed coffee, an Americano retains a thin layer of crema on the surface, giving it a slightly richer mouthfeel. Macchiato. Taking its name from the Italian word for marked or stained, this drink consists of a shot of espresso with just a small dollop of steamed milk or foam on top. It is designed for those who find a plain espresso too harsh, but do not want the heavy volume of milk found in a latte. The small amount of dairy cuts through the acidity of the coffee without masking the underlying roast, making it a quick, intense, and slightly creamy pick-me-up. Cortado. Hailing from Spain, this balanced beverage uses an equal ratio of espresso to warm, silky steamed milk. Unlike a macchiato, the milk is not foamy. Instead, it is integrated into the coffee to create a smooth, velvety texture that reduces the bite of the espresso significantly. Because the proportions are usually 1-to-1, it is a relatively small drink that emphasizes a perfect harmony between the strength of the coffee and the sweetness of the milk. Cappuccino. This world-famous classic is defined by its distinct 3-layer structure, consisting of equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and a thick head of frothed milk foam. Traditionally served in a smaller cup, the cappuccino offers a luxurious, airy texture that is often topped with a dusting of cocoa powder or cinnamon. The heavy foam acts as an insulator, keeping the coffee underneath hot while providing a light, bubbly contrast to the liquid below. Latte. Known formally as a cafe latte, this is the most milk-forward option on the menu and is characterized by a high volume of steamed milk topped with only a very thin layer of foam. It is much creamier and milder than a cappuccino, making it a popular canvas for flavored syrups or intricate latte art. Because of the high milk-to-coffee ratio, it is often the preferred choice for those who enjoy a long, mellow drink that focuses more on texture and sweetness than raw coffee strength. Flat white. Originally gaining popularity in Australia and New Zealand, this drink is similar to a latte, but uses a smaller volume of milk and a more concentrated espresso base, usually a double ristretto. The milk is prepared as microfoam, which has a much finer bubble structure than traditional steamed milk, resulting in a drink that is incredibly silky and dense. It offers a stronger coffee flavor than a latte while maintaining a sophisticated, uniform texture throughout the cup. Mocha. This variation acts as a bridge between a latte and a hot chocolate, incorporating chocolate syrup or cocoa powder into the espresso and steamed milk mixture. It is a dessert-like coffee that balances the bitterness of the roast with the richness of chocolate, often topped with whipped cream for extra decadence. While it is certainly on the sweeter side, a well-made mocha still allows the earthy notes of the coffee beans to shine through the cocoa. From the intense punch of a ristretto to the creamy layers of a latte, the world of coffee can be surprisingly complex. In this video, we break down every popular coffee drink you'll find on a modern cafe menu. We explain the exact ratios of espresso, steamed milk, and foam that define your favorite brews, along with the history and unique characteristics of each style. Whether you're a casual drinker or a dedicated barista, this guide will help you understand exactly what's in your cup.